Hey everybody, and welcome back to my video. As you see here, I have created a mock-up for a casual place setting. Every item that you see in this video right here on your page has come from efavormart.com. The charger plate, the salad fork, the dinner fork, the salad plate, dinner plate, every little thing is actually an item that you can get off of efavormart.com. So I would highly recommend that you go ahead and like this video, comment below if you like the casual place setting setup. This is a very basic setup that you can do for your upcoming wedding or event. It's very easy to do. If you are on a budget, this is something you want to still make it look like it's formal. This is something that you can do. The plates and then the cutlery are actually hard plastic disposable plates that you can get off of efavormart.com. They have many other styles of plates and chargers and garlands and candles, cups. Everything is on efavormart.com. So I will leave a link below, my exclusive link below for them, so you can go ahead and shop for your upcoming wedding or event. They're very affordable. Shipping is amazing. And they have literally everything that you could possibly need on their website, from tablecloths to linen napkins, linen tablecloths, chair covers, candles, floor stuff, and mirror floor runners, cutlery. They have everything that you can possibly need to make your big day pop, to pull it off. This is the one-stop shop, as I call them. I love them. I personally use them for all my events, and I recommend them to other people. So go ahead and use our exclusive link right down below for this video and shop efavormart.com. Make sure that you go ahead and screenshot this and leave a comment below if you felt that this is helpful to you and this is a little setup that you can actually do for your own wedding or event. So let me just go ahead and kind of show you how what everything looks like. So the smaller plate right here with the box around it, that's the salad plate. So let me just kind of move this right here. And then this right here is the dinner plate, but this is actually what the plates look like. I just, again, created this off of their website. Not even off their website, just, wanted to show you all this mock-up so you guys get a picture of, how your tables would look with their products on the tables. And this charger right here, it will have a mirror circle inside of this. So the outside of this is just jewels. It's like rhinestones, large rhinestones, and then the inside would be a mirror. It just didn't show up on the mock, but this is what their products look like. This is actually what the garland looks like. These are what the candles look like. Again, the water glass, the cutlery, this is what everything would look like. I just wanted to show you all how to put it together if you decided to go this look. And again, this is nothing more than some these with the box around it, that is hard plastic. This is what people are using now. Instead of renting out china, this is what they're going towards. It still looks good. It still looks like real plates and real cutlery. Guests can't really tell the difference of it. It's amazing how much a disposable plate has come along. I use them actually for like my kids' parties and stuff. That's how much I use them. That is how much I love them. That's how much it mimics a real deal thing. And I absolutely love it. Okay, I love it, love it, love it. So again, if you don't really have a budget for real plates and renting cups and stuff like that, because renting real china is actually money consuming. It's very expensive. Plus you have to wash the dishes afterwards or collect them and make sure that there's no damages done to them. And then you have to collect and hoard those nasty, dirty dishes. And, it's just a lot of work to deal with real china the day of like your big event. And something like this is guests can, if they choose to take any food home, they'll be able to do so. They'll be able to transport their food to their home without it, without the plates given out or without the plates just not really looking good at the tables and stuff. So hard plastic is the go-to these days. That's the new trend, and it's very affordable. And on efavormart.com, it will be extremely, extremely affordable for you and your budget. And again, this is just a mock-up, but these are the actual products that efavormart.com has on their website. So you would just have to type in garland, candles, dinner forks, salad forks, bread and butter plate. That's actually a salad plate. So they don't actually have anything smaller than that, which is okay. They do, however, have like a little butter knife that you can still put at the tables. They have different water glasses, different styles of everything. When I say they have everything that you could possibly need for your big day, it is on this website. Use the link below. Share this video out. But this is a little mock-up that I did. If you want to see more mock-ups using efavormart.com's products, let me know. Be very specific in the bottom, and I will do like a little soft mock-up. I'm not going to do a complete mock-up of your day, but if you just want to see like a little something of how, just a little something. I'm not going to do the whole thing, and a lot of people charge for that too, but I'm just going to do it here or there. So this is just a little sample that I'm showing you right here of how good their products will look on the table. But again, this little mock-up doesn't do their products any justice. You have to see it and get it in person. The quality is there. The quality is amazing. Everything is just great. I'm so happy that I found efavormart.com, that I became partnered with them. Everything is just solid, and this is actually a go-to that a lot of event designers and wedding designers, a lot of different people go to efavormart.com for their materials and stuff like that. So go ahead, click the exclusive link down below. Make sure that you like and comment. Make sure that you follow wherever you're seeing this video. And I will see you all on the next video. But make sure that you go ahead and click that link down below for efavormart.com.